Good afternoon, Mr. Chair. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Um, maraming salamat at dumalo si Mr. Duterte dito sa meeting natin sa Quadcom. No? Ilang beses po natin pinapatawag kahit doon sa Committee on Human Rights ay hindi po dumating. So yung unang tanong ko po, Mr. Chair, ito pong war on drugs, nung panahon po ni Mr. Duterte, sa tingin po ba ng ating resource person, Mr. Chair, may na-accomplish po itong war on drugs?
I had to do it because it was demanded of the time. And whether you believe it or not, whether you have the statistics different from ours, the government, it has gone a long way to protect the people, especially the children. Successful po.
Successful po ba ang war on drugs ninyo, Mr. Chair?
Successful, ma'am.
So how do you measure po yung success nung war on drugs?
But because it is minimize yung drugs. You cannot entirely eradicate drugs because pang hanap buhay yan eh. Until now, you cannot kill everyone na alam mo o hindi mo alam. It's a commercial thing that is of value. And people, yung walang trabaho, walang hanap buhay, papasok talaga dyan. Lalo na if they are criminally inclined to do it.
So, sabi nyo na eradicate ninyo, Mr. Chair, Mr. Duterte, yung problema sa war on drugs nung panahon ninyo.
And then, you cannot eradicate. No country in this planet, even the United States, it's more of a problem to them than us. Hindi mo ma-eradicate, ma'am. Hanap buhay yan.
Okay, pero sinabi niyo po kanina, Mr. Chair, sinabi niyo po kanina na success. So how do you measure success? Yun po bang ipinasa ninyo sa Supreme Court na more than 20,000 na namatay sa panahon ninyo? Yung extrajudicial killings na karamihan ay mga bata. So nandito nga kanina, no, Mr. Chair, Mr. Duterte, yung mga biktima, yung mga pamilya ng mga biktima, lalong-lalo na yung mga biktima na inosente, mga bata, no? Walang kinalaman sa droga, kagaya ng mga pinisent ng mga nanay dito. So, paano nyo mame-measure yung sinasabi nyong success? Hindi nyo na-eradicate. Gumamit na kayo ng force. Pinagpapatay yung mga suspected na mga drugs personality. Pero, hindi pa rin na-eradicate. Sabi nyo, hindi nyo ma-eradicate yan kahit na gumamit na ng patayan. So, paano nyo nasabing success yung sa panahon ninyo itong war on drugs?
In the sense that it was minimized. Hindi naman that's a relative word. Pero, you know, I cannot...
Minimize.
Basta ginawa ko yung dapat kong gawin sa panahon ko, ma'am. Whether it is really acceptable to all or none at all, ginawa ko yung dapat gawin ko as president at that time. Now, if you are asking for accountability, then if you can, I said, ina-admit ako naman, file the case, and I will go to jail willingly if you can prove the case, because this is a democratic country and there is a democratic process. Even for criminals, and even for a president or mayor who committed a wrong in the campaign against the drug menace of this country.